Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope that you are all doing okay. You were a Filipino citizen, but you are now a naturalized citizen in another country. You and your family want to have a vacation in the Philippines. Do you need a visa to travel to the Philippines? What is the Balikbayan privilege? The Balikbayan Program is a program of the Philippine government instituted by Republic Act 6768 as amended by Republic Act 9174. Among those considered as Balikbayan under the law are former Filipino citizens with foreign passports and members of their families. It means that if you were a Filipino citizen before, but you became a citizen of another country through the process called naturalization, you are considered as a Balikbayan. Even the members of your family are also considered as Balikbayan if they are from a country whose citizens may enjoy a visa-free entry to the Philippines. So, if your non-Filipino family is from any of those listed countries, then your family may avail of the Balikbayan privileges. Examples are Canada, Australia, Italy, France, Denmark, Japan, also Norway, Singapore, Spain, Switzerland, Sweden, Thailand, Vatican, United Kingdom, and the United States of America. You can pause this video and check the list here. The term family here includes your spouse and your children who are not Balikbayan in their own right and who are traveling to the Philippines with you as the Balikbayan. That means to say that even if the spouse and the children of the Balikbayan are foreigners, provided that they travel with the said Balikbayan, they are entitled to the benefits of being a Balikbayan. For instance, if you are married to a U.S. citizen and you have children who are also U.S. citizens, they are considered as Balikbayan for the purpose of Balikbayan privileges if they travel with you to the Philippines, meaning you must be boarding the same flight to the Philippines. And one of these very important benefits is the ability to enter the Philippines visa-free and to stay in the Philippines for a period of 1 year. You may visit the Philippines several times, that is multiple entry within a year, or you may stay in the Philippines for a maximum of 1 year. According to the Bureau of Immigration, the Balikbayan privilege can be availed of by the foreign member of a Balikbayan's family every time they enter the Philippines with a Balikbayan, and not only once a year. If you are a former Filipino national who wish to avail of the program, you must present your foreign passport along with a proof of your former Philippine citizenship upon your arrival at the Philippine port of entry. It could either be your old Philippine passport or your Philippine birth certificate, which means the one from the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. Only either of these two documents will be considered as proof of your previous Philippine citizenship. In case your foreign spouse and foreign minor children travel with you, they must present the following upon arrival in the Philippine port of entry: the marriage certificate for your spouse with English translation if it is in other language, the birth certificate for your child or certificate of adoption in the case of an adopted child, also with English translation if it is in another language, and their foreign passport with a validity of at least 6 months beyond the intended stay in the Philippines, meaning from the date of your departure from the Philippines after your visit or vacation. And this 6-month validity beyond the intended stay in the Philippines applies also to you as the Balikbayan. This is obviously to ensure that your passport would not be expired in case your stay is extended for whatever reason, such as flight cancellation or any emergency situation. When you enter the Philippines as a Balikbayan, the immigration officer will stamp your foreign issued passport with a Balikbayan stamp and the allowed length of your stay, which is 1 year. Please note that the Balikbayan stamp is free. And you might ask, is return ticket required? No, it is not required. You can refer to the advisories posted on the websites of the Philippine Embassy or the Philippine Consulate. Can Balikbayans extend their stay beyond 1 year? The answer is yes. If a Balikbayan has used his or her privilege and has stayed in the Philippines for 1 year, he or she may apply for an extension of stay for multiples of 2 months up to 1 additional year by paying the appropriate fees at the nearest office of the Bureau of Immigration. Don't worry, the Bureau of Immigration has offices across the country. I hope that you have learned something from this video. Please feel free to drop your reaction in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet, and make sure to hit that notification bell icon so that you will be notified of our future videos. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance to it. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.